Keep it going.
We can both do it. You're still recording?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's still good.
It's taking a little bit of water.
Yeah,
From the mud puddle.
just from the mud puddle.
Good thing I don't go to school no more. I'm missing out on all the fun.
You feel
I
better
can't
now?
see nothing anymore. I'll let you look at my windshield if you want.
What happened? He hit a tree. Man. Oh, that's nuts. That's stupid. Oh man. I couldn't even see. I think he flipped over. Oh, we'll go see if it's upside down.
Okay.
We'll be back.